Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add overlay on CapCut. And this is quite simple. First of all, create a new project. We want to take this as the background, do add, and then we have our project just right here. Then from here we click on the overlay button and then click on add overlay, and here we select this nice cup of tea and then we do add. Then from here we can select the selection or where we want to add this overlay. I want to add this camera left in the bottom. You can add here a video from yourself, someone that is explaining a tutorial or something, but place it where you want it. Then after that we go left in the bottom back, and right now if we click on turning back, they created a little sign here in the top where they where you can see your overlay. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.